Welcome back to your maths class. Chapter 3 Algebra, Exercise 3.3. Last session we completed till problem number 4. Let us continue from problem number 5. Identify the like terms. 12x cube y square z comma minus y cube x square z comma 6x cube z square y comma minus 5y cube x square z. Okay, these are the terms given. 5 terms are given. So from this we have to identify the like terms. Let us move on to the solution, children. What is the meaning of like terms? Which was having the same terms. Okay, that is same variable with the same degree. So that is called as a like terms. Now let us see what are the, here only two terms are same. What are the terms? The second term and the fifth term. That is minus y cube x square z and minus 5y cube x square z. So these two terms are the like terms. Okay, minus y cube x square z and minus 5y cube x square z are like terms. Okay, now let us move on to next problem. Problem number 6. Add and find the degree of the following expressions. So now the question is given, you have to add and also you have to find the degree of the following expression. Subdivision 1. 9x plus 3y and 10x minus 9y. So the two expressions are given. You have to add these two expressions and you have to find the degree of that expression. Okay, now let us move on to the solution, children. Solution: 9x plus 3y, 10x minus 9y. Now I am going to add both the terms. Okay, so 10 plus 9 you will be getting 19x. 3y minus 9y. So one is in the positive sign and the other number is in negative sign. So you have to subtract. So 3 minus 9, you will be getting now minus 6. The greater number is having minus sign. So you will be getting minus 6. So your final answer is 19x minus 6y. Okay, when you add 9x plus 3y and 10x minus 9y, you will get the final answer 19x minus 6y. Okay, now you have to find the degree of this expression. So how will you find the degree? You have to see the variable's power. So 19x, the degree of x is 1 and 6y, the degree of the y is also 1. Actually you will compare the highest degree, but here in both the term the degree is 1. So thus degree of expression is 1. Okay, now let us move on to subdivision 2. K square minus 25k plus 46 and 23 minus 2k square plus 21k. Now you have to add both the expression. Solution: first you take down the first term, k square minus 25k plus 46. Now arrange the second term. So in the under the k square you have tried the k square term. So minus 2k square you will get. Okay. Then under 25k you have tried 21k. So plus 21k you will write. Next you will be writing 23. So you would write next term minus 2k square plus 21k plus 23. Now I am going to add both the expression. Okay. Now k square minus 2k. So from 1 I am going to subtract. So minus 2 plus 1 you are having. So your answer is minus 1k square. And minus 25 plus 21, when you subtract, you will be getting now 4k, minus 4k, because the greatest number is 25, which is having negative sign. So minus 4k plus 46 and 23, when you add, you will be getting 69. Okay, so your answer is minus 1k square minus 4k plus 69. Now you have to find the degree of this expression. Now from this term, you see from the expression which is having the highest power, the k square is the highest degree. So thus the degree of the expression is 2. Okay. Now let us move on to subdivision 3. 3m square n plus 4pq square and 5nm square minus 2q square p. So now you have to add both. Let us move to the solution, children. 3m square n plus 4pq square. Now 5nm square minus 2q square p. So now 5nm square, you can nm square and m square n both are same. So you can write the next term 5m square n minus 2q square p can be written as 2pq square. Okay. So already in the first term how it was, the same like that. The second term also you arrange and write. Now I am going to add both the terms. Okay, so 5 plus 3, 8m square n, and 4 minus 2. From 4 I am going to subtract 2. So 2pq square, the greatest number 4 is having the positive sign. So plus 2pq square. So your answer is 8m square n plus 2pq square. Okay, now you have to find the degree of the expression. You take the first term, m square n, m to the power of 2 and n to the power of 1. So 2 plus 1 you will be getting 3. The degree of that term is now 3. Take the second term, pq square. So p to the power of 1 and q to the power of 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. So both the terms having the same degree 3. Okay. So thus the degree of the expression is 3. Okay. Now let us move on to problem number 7. Simplify and find the degree of the following expressions. Now you have to simplify the given expression and you have to find the degree of that expression. Okay. Subdivision 1. 10x square minus 3xy plus 9y square minus 3x square minus 6xy minus 3y square. So this is the expression they are given. You have to simplify this. Okay, now let us move to the solution, children. You write the question as it is. 10x square minus 3xy plus 9y square minus 3x square minus 6xy minus 3y square, which is equal to, now I have removed the brackets. Okay, so 10x square as it is you write, minus 3xy as it is you write, plus 9y square as it is. Now I'm going to remove the bracket. Before bracket, if it is a positive sign, you can write as it is, but here you are having negative sign. So the numbers, that is the sign which is present inside the bracket, it get changes. Okay. Now minus plus 3x square you are having inside. So minus into plus, minus 3x square you will get. Now next term minus 6xy you have. So minus into minus plus 6xy you will get. Okay. Next minus into minus plus 3y square you will get. Have you understood, children? So when negative sign is present before the bracket, the inside the terms, the signs will get changes. Now the next step, I am going to add the like terms together. What are the like terms present here? X square is one term, xy is one term, and the other term y square. Okay, now I am going to combine all the like terms. So 10x square minus 3x square. Okay, I am combining the like terms, plus minus 3xy and 6xy combined. Next 9y square and 3y square I combined. Okay, so I will be getting 10 minus 3, I am getting 7x square minus 3xy plus 6xy. 6 minus 3, what you will get? 3, which is highest number, what sign it has? A plus sign. So plus 3xy, then 9 plus 3, 12. So 12y square. Now this is your final answer. After simplifying, you got this answer. Now you have to find the degree of the expression. So now see, you have three terms. Let us see the degree of the each term. The first term, the degree is 2, x square you have. The second term, x to the power of 1, y to the power of 1. So 1 plus 1, the degree is 2. And the third term, y square, the degree is 2. So all the three terms, the degree is 2. Hence, the degree of the expression is 2. Have you understood, children? Hence, the degree of the expression is 2. Okay. Now, let us move on to subdivision 2. Question number 2. Subdivision 2. 9a power of 4 minus 6a cube minus 6a power of 4 minus 3a square plus 7a cube plus 5a square. Solution, write the question as it is. Now next step, I am going to combine the like terms. Okay. So what are the terms present here? A power of 4 is one term, a power of 3 is one term, and a power of 2 you have. Okay, so I am going to combine the like terms. So 9 a power of 4 minus 6 a power of 4. Then minus 6a cube plus 7a cube. Then minus 3a square and 5a square I have combined. Okay, so 9 minus 6 you will be getting 3a power of 4. Then minus 6 plus 7 plus a cube plus 5 minus 3 2a square. Okay, now you compare the degrees now. So you have three terms. A power of 4 is one term, a power of 3 is one term, and a power of 2 is one term. So from this, which is the highest degree? A power of 4 is the highest degree. Okay, hence the degree of the expression is 4. Okay, so the degree of this expression is 4 now. Okay, now let us move on to subdivision 3. 4x square minus 3x minus 8x minus 5x square minus 8. So the 8x minus 5x square minus 8, that's in the bracket. We have to remove the brackets and we have to simplify this problem. Okay, let us move on to the solution, children. The same as it is, you write the question. 4x square minus 3x minus 8x minus 5x square minus 8, which is equal to, let us remove the inner bracket, that is 5x square minus 8. So outside the bracket you have minus. So already in before sum I taught you, if the negative sign is present, means the sign, the thing which is present inside the bracket, the expression or the term which is present inside the bracket, the sign will get changed. See here, minus 5x square, then minus into minus plus 8 you will get. Okay, so next I am going to remove the square bracket. So 4x square minus 3x minus 8x minus into minus plus 5x square minus into plus minus 8 you will get. Have you understood? That is 4x square minus 3x minus 8x minus into minus plus 5x square minus into plus minus 8. Now I am going to combine the like terms. Okay, I am going to combine the like terms. What are the like terms here? What are the terms here? X square is one term and x is one term and you have one constant term. So I am going to combine. So 4x square plus 5x square plus minus 3x minus 8x and minus 8. So 4x square plus 5x square, you will be getting 9x square minus 3 minus 8. When you are adding, the same sign is there. Okay, so when if you add, you will get the minus sign only. So 8 plus 3, you have to add it. You will be getting minus 11x because both the number is having the negative sign. Okay, so then minus 8 is the constant term. So your final answer is 9x square minus 11x minus 8. Now you have to find the degree. Okay, so what is the first term? Degree x square. What is the second term? X to the power of 1. And the last one is the constant term. So among this term, which is having the highest degree? X square. So 2. Hence the degree of the expression is 2. Okay, hence the degree of the expression is 2. That is your final answer. Okay, now let us move on to the objective type questions. Question number 8. 3p square minus 5pq plus 2q square plus 6pq minus q square plus pq is a subdivision 1 monomial, subdivision 2 binomial, option 3 trinomial, option 4 quadrinomial. So from the 4 option we have to see which is the answer. So your answer is trinomial. Option 3 is your answer. Okay. Now next problem number 9. The degree of 6x power of 7 minus 7x to the power of 3 plus 4 is option 1 7, option 2 3, option 3 6, option 4 4. So first you see which is the highest degree among the given terms. The first term having the power 7, the second term is having the power 3 and the last term is a constant term. So from 7 and 3, the 7 is the highest term, that is the highest degree. X to the power of 7 is the highest degree. So the degree of the expression is 7. Option 1, 7 is your answer. Okay. Now next, 10th one. If P of x and Q of x are two expression of degree 3, then the degree of P of x and Q of x is option 1, 6, option 2, 0, option 3, 3, option 4, undefined. P of x and Q of x are two expressions. Okay, for example, you take what is given there, degree is 3. For example, you can take x to the power of 3. Okay, P of x is 3, x power of 3, and Q of x is also x power of 3. So when you are adding, you have to add only the variable. So x cube plus x cube, you will be getting 2x power of 3 only. You will not be adding the degrees. Okay, so then the degree of P of x and Q of x is 3. Option 3 is your final answer. When it is in the product means the degree will get changes. Okay, since it is a sum, that is P of x and plus Q of x, that is the addition. So the degree won't be getting changed. Okay. Exercise 3.4, miscellaneous practice problems. Problem number 1. 6 square into 6 to the power of m, which is equal to 6 to the power of 5. Find the value of m. Okay, the question is 6 square, 6 to the power of 2 into 6 to the power of m, which is equal to 6 to the power of 5. Let us move on to the solution, children. Now, as it is, you write the question, 6 to the power of 2 into 6 to the power of m, which is equal to 6 to the power of 5. Now, in the left hand side, the base is same. What do you have? 6 square into 6 power of m. The base is same. So, you can add the power. So, you will be getting 6 to the power of 2 plus m, which is equal to 6 to the power of 5. Here, we are going to apply the rule, that is a to the power of m into a to the power of n, which is equal to a power of m plus n. So, based on this rule, you will be getting 6 to the power of 2 plus m, which is equal to 6 to the power of 5. Now, here the base is left hand side and the right hand side, the base is same. Okay. So, I am going to take only the power. What do you have the power? 2 plus m and 5. So, you can write 2 plus m, which is equal to 5. The base will get cancelled. That is 6 won't come. 2 plus m, which is equal to 5. So, m is equal to 5 minus 2. When the left hand side 2, when it go to right hand side, the sign will get changed. So, you will be getting m is equal to 5 minus 2. So, 5 minus 2, what is your answer, children? Yes, very good. M is equal to 3. So, m is equal to 3 is your answer. Okay. Now, let us move on to problem number 2. Find the unit digit of 124 power 128 into 126 power 124. We want to find the unit digit of the given numbers. Okay. Solution. In 124 power 128, the unit digit of base 124 is 4. What is the base you have? 124. What is the power you have? 128. So, 128 is the even power. And in 124, which is the unit digit now? 4 is the unit digit. Okay, that's what given here. In 124 power 128, the unit digit of base 124 is 4. Okay, and the power is 128. That is an even power. Therefore, unit digit of 124 power 128 is 6. So, that is your answer for this. Okay. Now, next digit what you have? 126 power 124. So, in 126 power 124, the unit digit of base 126 is 6 and the power is 124. That is an even power. Therefore, unit digit of 126 power 124 is 4 you will get. Because 6 how many times if you multiply, the unit digit will you be getting 6 only. Okay. So, now next. So, now in the question, according to the question, the symbol between both the term is multiplication. That means product. So, product of the unit digit equal to, from first one what you got? 6. Second one you got 6. So, 6 6 are 36. So what is the number in the unit digit in 36 now? 6 is the unit digit number now. So therefore unit digit of 124 power 128 into 126 power 124 is 6. Okay, so the final answer is 6. Now let us move on to problem number 3. Okay. Find the unit digit of the numeric expression 6 to the power, 16 to the power of 23 plus 71 power of 48 plus 59 power of 61. Okay, the same thing, but here it is given in the sum. Okay, let us find each thing unit digit for each term and then we will add all the answers. Okay, let us move on to the solution, children. In 16 power 23, the unit digit of base 16 is 6. Okay, for 16 in the ones place, that is in the unit digit place, you have 6. And the power is 23, which is an odd power. Okay, so odd means you will be getting 6 only. So therefore, unit digit of 16 power 23 is 6. Okay, now next we will take next number, 71 power of 48. So in 71 power 48, the unit digit of the base 71 is 1. Okay, and the power is 48, that is an even power. So when you have in the unit digit 1, how many times the power will be? Either it may be odd or it may be even. You will get the unit digit value is 1 only you will get. Okay, so therefore unit digit of 71 power 48 is 1. Okay, now let us move on to the next number. In 59 power 61, the unit digit of base 59 is 9. What is the number present in that unit digit place? 9. And the power what you have? 61. 61 is an odd or even? It is an odd number. So you can write odd power. Okay, so it is an odd means what? For example, if you take 9 as 3 times, you will be getting 9 nines are 81. Okay, 81 into 9, again if you multiply you will be getting at the corner digit will be 9 only. Okay, so therefore the unit digit of 9, that is unit digit of 59 power 61 is 9. Do you understand, children? Because it is an odd power. In case if it is an even means the unit digit place will be 1, because if it is 9 square means 9 nines are 81. So 1 will be in the unit digit, but here it is an odd. For example, if you take 9 to the power of 1, so 9 ones are 9 only you will get. Okay, so the odd power, since it is an odd power, the unit digit of 59 power 61 is 9. Okay, now next step, sum of unit digit. The before sum we did product. Product means what, children? It is a multiplication. The before sum it is a multiplication. But now it is an addition. So sum of units digits, sum of unit digits equal to 6 plus 1 plus 9. So when you add all the three numbers, you will get 16. So the 16, the last number what is present? 6. So therefore, unit digit of the given expression is 6. Have you understood? So after adding all the three terms unit digit, you will be getting 16. So in 16, in the number 16, in the ones place, that is in the unit place, you have 6. So therefore unit digit of the given expression is 6. Okay, now let us move on to problem number 4. Find the value of minus 1 power 6 into minus 1 power 7 into minus 1 power 8 divided by minus 1 power 3 into minus 1 power of 5. So you have to find the value for this one. Okay, let us move on to the solution, children. Write the question as it is. Now the numerator part you take. The base are same. You have in the base minus 1. So all the three terms, the minus 1 is common. So you can add the power. What do you have the power? 6, 7 and 8. So you can add 6 plus 7 plus 8. Okay. So minus 1 power 6 plus 7 plus 8 divided by, again the base is same in the denominator part also. What is numerator and denominator, children? Yes, the numbers which is present above the fraction, above that line, that is the numerator part. And below the down present, no, the below that line, that is called as a denominator part. So the numerator part is over now. Okay, now let us calculate the denominator part. Minus 1 power, since the base is same, you can add the power. So minus 1 power 3 plus 5. So minus 1 to the power. Now what rule you have applied here? A power of m into a power of n, which is equal to a power of m plus n. Okay. Now let us add all the powers. So minus 1 power 21 you will get. 6 plus 7 plus 8. I have added all the powers. That is all the degrees I have added. So I am getting minus 1 power 21 divided by minus 1 power 8. 3 plus 5, 8 I am getting. Okay. In now next step, now it is in the rule a power of m divided by a power of n. So you can write a power of m minus n. That rule, that is the quotient rule I am going to apply here. So I will be getting minus 1 power of 21 minus 8. Since a power of m divided by a power of n, which is equal to a power of m minus n. So this is the rule I have applied here. So 21 minus 8, I will be getting minus 1 power of 13. So minus 1 power of 13, the 13 is the odd positive number. If in case if it is a even means, for example, if you have minus 1 the whole square means minus 1 into minus 1, you will be getting plus 1 because minus into minus plus you will get. In case if it is in a cube, that is in odd power means minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus only. So here the answer is minus 1. Since the power 13 is odd positive number. So it is a minus 1 only answer. Okay. Now let us move on to the problem number 5. Identify the degree of the expression. So they had given the expression, you have to find the degree. That is, from the given expression you have to see which is the highest degree having. Okay, which was having the highest degree. So what is the question given, ma? 2a cube bc plus 3a cube b plus 3a cube c minus 2a square b square c square. Let us move on to the solution, children. The first term you have a to the power of 3, b to the power of 1 and c to the power of 1. So when you add all the degree, your degree is now 5. 3 plus 1 plus 1, 5. Second term you take a power of 3, b power of 1. So 3 plus 1, 4. Third term you take a power of 3 and c power of 1. So 3 plus 1 again 4. The last term you have a square, b square, c square. So I am adding all the degrees. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So among the given expression, that is among the given terms, the 4 terms, it was having the highest degree. So the highest degree is 6. Therefore, degree of the expression is 6. Okay. Now let us move on to problem number 6. If p is equal to minus 2, q is equal to 1 and r is equal to 3, find the value of 3p square q square r. Do you understand the question, children? They had given the value of p, q and r. You have to substitute in the given question. That is, what is your question? 3p square q square r. So in this question, that is in this term, you have to substitute in the place of p minus 2 and in the place of q 1 and in the place of r 3. You have to substitute and you have to find the value. Okay. Now let us move on to the solution, children. Solution. What is given? P is equal to minus 2, q is equal to 1 and r is equal to 3. Let us 3p square q square r, which is equal to 3 into, in the place of p, what is the question? In the question, what is given? P value minus 2. So minus 2 the whole square and q value is 1. So 1 the whole square into r value is 3. So you substitute. Okay. So 3 into minus 2 the whole square can be written as minus 2 into minus 2. Then 1 square can be written as 1 into 1. Since it is given square, you have to multiply 2 times. Okay. So 3 into minus 2 into minus 2, you will be getting 2 2s are 4. Minus into minus plus. Okay. 1 1s are 1 into 3. Now next step, 3 4s are 12. 1 3s are 3. So you will be getting 12 into 3. Now next step, 12 3s are 36. So 36 is your final answer. Okay. So today's session is over, children. Let us continue in the next class. Okay. Thank you, children.